It's safe to say we all love gadgets. From kitchen gadgets to technology gadgets and those we carry every day, we love gadgets because of the value they bring to our lives. Some gadgets make our lives easier and some make our lives safer. The best gadgets are those that make our lives more enjoyable. In our video today we are going to go over the top 5 coolest gadgets on Amazon in 2021. Replace the bulk with a minimal, durable and modern wallet. The Fidelo Hybrid is a luxurious, ultra-slim, lightweight wallet made with durable RFID-blocking aluminum and high-strength polymer, equipped with a superior slide trigger system for easy quick card access. The chamber securely holds up to 5 to 7 cards, and if you still carry cash, we provide 2 cash bands to securely hold your bills. Enhance your experience with our future-proof tap payment-enabled case, made with premium top-grain leather. The front pocket can hold 1 to 10 folded bills, or 1 to 2 cards. For additional card storage, the back pocket is designed to hold 1 to 2 cards or a wallet tracker. The Fidelo Hybrid, trusted by many. Join the minimalist movement and find the wallet that matches your lifestyle. Start enjoying a full life with less clutter and buy with confidence. This is the Dico LED Flame Bluetooth speaker. This device is a Bluetooth table lamp that is the perfect companion for music lovers. The speaker connects to any device via Bluetooth. It has a big booming speaker that produces quality sound. The warm yellow glow of the Dico Flame table lamp makes this a cozy room decoration that will help you fall asleep. The light from the flames will keep your mind off the troubles of the day. It has a range of 33 feet and plays up to 20 hours of music. It is easy to charge and can be used for a long time. This gadget features many LEDs. Each LED flickers warm yellow lights, forming a stunning flame that mimics extremely realistic and natural dancing flames. Combined with audio function, this device really creates a romantic atmosphere for you. It is a good choice for parties, weddings, and other special occasions. And also makes for ideal gift for any occasion. Perfect for girl or boyfriend, perfect for students in dorms, partygoers at celebrations, families at special events, and children for relaxing. Especially ideal as a holiday gift, a birthday present, a housewarming gift, or simply as a personal treat. Get into hard-to-reach places and recover lost items with the Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool. Our Pickup Tool features 3 super bright LED bulbs built into the head to light up dark areas. Plus, the telescoping neck extends 22 inches and flexes 360 degrees to reach even the most difficult areas. And the head is magnetic to retrieve nuts, bolts, screws and more. Stick the magnetic base where you need it for a hands-free lighting option. Constructed of military-grade aluminum, the Rack Magnetic LED Pickup Tool is water-resistant, shock-proof, and built to last. Don't let anything stop you from your work with the Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool. This is the MyPin Fingerprint Padlock. This gadget is a smart padlock with high-tech fingerprint sensor technology and auto-recognition function. Say goodbye to cumbersome numbers. Now, your finger is the key. You no longer have to worry about losing the key or it being stolen. The fingerprint lock body is made of aluminum alloy, and the lock beam is made of stainless steel for superior cut resistance. This lock is weatherproof and protects against dust and water. This smart fingerprint padlock is rechargeable and can be unlocked 2,500 times in one charge. It will remain locked when the battery dies. Simply charge the lock with a USB power supply and it will resume working. This device is great for all ages because there is no need for an app, key, or Bluetooth. Just follow the direction in the guidebook to enter or delete the fingerprint. You can even move your finger at multiple angles when entering the fingerprints to better recognize the fingerprint when unlocking. This gadget is perfect for indoor and outdoor use, gym lockers, suitable for suitcases, golf bags, handbags, school lockers, furniture, wardrobes, bicycles and other goods that you want to protect. This is the Diversion Safe Water Bottle. This is truly a great way to keep your valuables safe anywhere you go. Stash your items in the secret compartment of this diversion safe for an added level of security while you frolic on the beach or stroll at the park. This device is also a fully functional water bottle. It's double-walled, leak-free, and vacuum-insulated, which keeps your beverage hot for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. With its sweat and burn-free exterior, you get an additional layer of needed protection for your hands and stored goods. The bottom screws on invisibly, so no one can tell this water bottle can fit credit cards, car keys, cash, or other valuables you want to keep hidden in plain sight. Stash your money inside this fully functional bottle if you don't want anyone suspecting you have cash in the house or when you're away from home. This gadget is perfect for traveling, outdoor activities, at the gym, or in your car.
Wow.